Get excited about the 2016 Honda Pilot. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a trip computer, skid plates, and remote keyless entry. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 8. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.